Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. And in these days, I am receiving different questions about LinkedIn compromised account. Somebody hacked your LinkedIn account. When an authorized person get access of your LinkedIn profile without your permission, it's called compromised account. And now you can see that I already wrote article on LinkedIn compromise account and how you can get your account back. So I wrote this article in a detail so you totally understand. And there are several ways that your LinkedIn account can be compromised. Here will be some reasons that if you are using a weak password, so try to make your password stronger. And after this, now you can see that a hacker will use different tricks and they will store your uh, password, usernames, and some software they will provide you, and when you will click and download, and then your account will be hacked. And now you can see that here is some consequences about your LinkedIn compromise account. First of all, unauthorized access to your personal LinkedIn account. And once a hacker can access to your LinkedIn account, they can view and modify your personal information, including your work experience. It can change your headline, it can change your education, it can change your primary email address, it can change your about summary and posting unauthorized content. When hacker hack your LinkedIn account, can post unauthorized content on your behalf, which can damage on your personal reputation and credibility. And identity theft, they will change your LinkedIn profile name, and they can change your email address. And contact tip, they can send you first degree messages. Your already friend can send a different and below the belt messages to your first degree connections, and in this way it can damage your personal relationship. So here is some requirements or some steps or some tips how you can save your account or how you can prevent your LinkedIn account from compromised account. So first of all, use a strong password, enable two-step verification, and if somebody send you email inbox about a scam, about different things, so don't try to click on these links. And always try to keep in your device or in your laptop antivirus software, and regularly view your activity of your LinkedIn account. If new post and you are not authorized of those posts, so you will just need to connect with LinkedIn. And always try to update your software. And once your LinkedIn account is hacked and compromised, you just need to click on linkedin.com/help/linkedin/ask/ts-rha, and here you just need to write here whose account you are reporting. Here you just need to select here my account or someone else, your friends or your family members. And are you logged out of your account? So here you just need to complete all your requirement. First name of your profile you are reporting, last name, email address, URL of your LinkedIn profile that are already hacked or compromised. Normally in compromised account, the hacker change the URL of your LinkedIn account. What you need to do, you can just write here the first name and last name. If you have a screenshot of your old profile, you can send to LinkedIn. And if you have an old URL of your LinkedIn profile, so you can also add here. And please select the reasons. So different reason, maybe receive a suspicious login notification, unauthorized password change attempt to your account, two-step verification has been enabled. So different reasons you can select here according to your requirement. And here you can just need to write here the details about your why your LinkedIn account is restricted. Sorry, I am saying this restricted, and why your LinkedIn account is compromised. So you can write here the different reasons. And if you receive some emails, and if you receive some messages, and if you receive some links, so you can write here, and at the end you can attach the screenshot of your LinkedIn profile that already you have. And you can also attach here your URL that you already have, first name, last name. And after this you just need to click on submit. So I already wrote an article on this, so I want to show you the article, and here is the article, and you can read this article in detail so you totally understand what you need to do when your LinkedIn account is compromised account. So once your LinkedIn account is compromised account, so don't wait, and you just need to complain about this your LinkedIn profile to LinkedIn helpline. So hope you understand about this, and if you have any question related to LinkedIn compromised account or LinkedIn hacked account, so you can message me on a LinkedIn, you can message me in a comment section, so I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video.